So these are some old pine logs out the pile. These were the remnants of the last run I made. So we're gonna see if there's anything left left of them. Probably not. We'll probably have to cut most of the outsides off to get to the heartwood. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get to the heartwood and see if we have some good resin filled heartwood to make some fence boards out of. Better than just cutting them up and burning them. At least we gave them a chance. They still got some mass to them. But if they're too far gone, you can't turn them because they'll break. The outside will start just disintegrating like it's trying to do now. Yeah, one day when my ship comes in, I'm gonna get me a hydraulic log dig, hydraulic log turner. Then I'll be able to cut more than a couple times a year without licking my wounds the rest of the year. Still waiting on my ship to come in though. So you can throw your block down there to hold one in since I ain't ever got any help. So it'll roll on the carriage straight, won't go all cattywampus. Ideal is to put it on there nice and even. So you can throw your little blocks off. Well, actually, forgot the greaser. Never forget the magic fluid. That way the logs will just slip and slide. Yeah, you learn a few things after a few herniated discs. See if we can push hard on this side to bring this side on around. Ideally, you want it against the L's. Those upright things nice and even. I'm just too strong. Oh yeah, hook it back here, maybe we can get some pivot on it. Should grease that back. There it goes. Now it looks a little bit more consistent, right? Let's go. Oh, I don't think it matters. That outer rind don't make a mark. Let's know where we started. But you can always look at the tip of the teeth. That's pretty good. And if you're wondering about how to set this Atlas hand filer up, there should be another video on here talking about how to get it done. It could really save you. Always when you start sharpening, the phone rings. The only problem with the Atlas hand filer is when you get off work or get done sawing, you got to remember to go home and do something with this hand, like stir a bunch of pudding or something. Otherwise, you'll be walking around like this, all jacked up on one side. Yeah, one way you'll know if you're not filing them perpendicular is obviously your teeth will have a bevel on them, but your saw, if it was previously cut in straight lines and you had consistent width, you'll notice that whichever way it's beveled, your width, your thicknesses in your line will start to weave that way. That's the last one. We got good play between the guides. We'll give the guide pins a little oil. Throw some more on the plate, let it run down while we get this soft shrunk. Here's to hoping that the battery ain't dead. It's been a little while. I left it hooked up. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Been a little while. Battery's weak. I'll try it one more time. I might have to hook some cables to it. Yeah. Well, can't win them all, folks. This is all just really an excuse to hear some good bluegrass when we get started. Go with it, Leon. Quick critique. If your jumper cable's anything less than alt gauge, you ain't doing nothing. You might as well put them in the back of the Honda. These might be 2 gauge. You know she's hot, boy. She'll weld. Yeah, really, I think the battery cable's just loose. Probably could have just tightened it up and it fired up, but we needed a good bluegrass brake. Gotta get your soul right before you start sawing. You don't ever know what's gonna happen.